Open your Google browser and type Gemilang UKM. Now, pick the official and trusted of UKM Library website. This is the website of UKM Library. There's a lot of information consists in this website. At the site's layout of the website, you can see the catalog Gemilang and click. Okay, this is the catalog of UKM Library. For the basic search, you can search the titles or subject field that you want to search for the materials that you want to search, and then search. Okay, this is the result. The result shows the materials that relates to the subject fields that you typed just now. Let's say we choose for the subject fields history. This is the result. Okay, at the left side, at the right side of this catalog, it contains you the information about the availability of the materials, maybe the material at the library or online, the format of the materials. The materials are available in printed books, thesis, e-book, video, microfilm, microfiche, and they also shows the total number of the materials. The materials can be found in a subject by a subject, title or author. So you can pick or you can type either one you know. The collections available on Learning and Research Repository and UJAR. Next, the locations of the materials. Maybe the materials at the Perpustakaan Alam and Tamadun Melayu, Alam and Tamadun Melayu. Default location, document Tun Sri Lanang at the 5th floor, and others. This is the language that available for the materials: English, Malay, Arabic, Indonesian, Dutch, and others. And you can use the tag to search the materials, tag of history, United States, electronic book, Great Britain, tag for women, and others. Okay, next, you can specify on the published date of the materials, such as what the date that you want to search, from what date to what date. And for the place of the materials, maybe the materials from the United States, Great Britain, Europe. Okay, let's say we choose the first materials for history subject. Okay, this is the material that we choose. There's the titles of the materials, the locations that shows where the materials are arranged. Let's say the locations of this material shows that the location at Aras 3, floor 3. So you can go at the floor 3 to find the material. Also consists of the call number, the status, and more detail about these materials. The current frequency, the publication dates, notes, subject of these materials, key title, and also ISSN number. Alright, now if you want to search any other materials in a different format other than printed books, such as microfilm, let's say we click for microfilm from the same subject title, history. There's a lot of material consists in this catalog in the microfilms form. The functionality is the same. You can search for any language, for a published dates, place, and any other functions. Okay, let's say we pick one. We pick the first one, history. Okay, this is the descriptions of the materials, the titles, the locations of the materials, where the material are located, the call number, status, and barcode. So the status is available, so the user are enabled to access the material by only see at the catalog. The material contains the details also, the descriptions about materials, publications, system details. For the system details, it shows that the materials requires the use of a microfilm reader, which means the microfilms need to be read and available for microfilm reader. Key titles and also ISSN. Alright, next we go for another format, which is video or DVD. Okay, we click this button. Okay, this is the materials that consist in the UKM library in the format of DVD or video. The functionality is the same like the printed material. You can choose any other that relates to your study or research. For example, we choose this, a history of Renaissance. This is the details of the material. Consists of the titles, the locations, call number, status. The status of also available, so you can access the barcodes of the material. The call number, you can just click at the call number. And for more details, the description said that these materials consist of one video cassette and the durations of 23 minutes. And the materials also consist of one additional material such as teacher's guide, and the details also shows the summary of the material, so you can read the summary before access the material, so you can be more understand about what the material is about. And also ISBN with the price of the material. Alright, now we want to show you how to find or search the materials by using an advanced search. Other than basic search, if you want to search or find the materials in more details by using a keywords that you already know, you can use this function. Click the advanced search button and the layout will be appear. You can use any other keywords such as title, subject, or author that you already know. You can add the keywords. If you know the titles of the book, and then you can type. Let's say we type Pendidikan Islam and Bahasa Arab. And next, for next keyword, you can type the author of these books, such as Hasan Basri Awam, and use the boolean and or not. The boolean represents and for the keyword that the Opac will show you all the results based on the keyword you type, or represent as the similarity of the words by the keyword that you type. Next, you can pick any other formats of this book. There's a lot of format. For the Pendidikan Islam dan Bahasa Arab, the format of this book is printed books or journal. So we can click the printed books and journal for the formats, and then the collection. There's 3 collections contains in this catalog, such as Any, Learning and Research Repository, and Ujar. For the Pendidikan Islam and Bahasa Arab, we choose Any. The location, if you don't know the locations of these materials, you can left it. You can leave it to Any. For the language, we use Bahasa Melayu for this book, but you can add for English language, Arabic language, if the materials available in this language. Alright, next, for the specific year for this book, let's say we use 2005 to 2002. So the result will show you the materials that between those years, and then we click search. Okay, the materials has appeared. This is the material that we want. The catalog will show you the material that you want based on the author that and title that you search just now. And we click the materials. Okay, the functions layout of this catalog, it seems from the basic search. It shows you the details of the materials, such as the location of item, where you can find or access the materials. Let's say the location shows that the materials at the Aras 4. We can go to Aras 4 to find the material. And more detail about this material, such as subject, author, ISBN number. Okay, this is the call number of these materials. Let's say we click the call number. If you want to know the locations of the material. Okay, this is the location of the materials, where the materials are arranged at the shelf of the library. So by this graphical browse, you can know the arrangements of the material and any other books that relates to the titles. For Pendidikan Islam and Bahasa Arab, this is the arrangement by using the call number. So then, when you go to the shelf, you already know the locations of this book. And list browser. This is the graphical browser. It shows you the image, the figure. For the list browser, it shows you the summarize of list of the call number. This is the materials that relates to the current item that you searched just now. There's a lot of material that listed. You can click any other materials that relates. Maybe the materials have a same author or the titles in the same field of subject. That's why they appeared to the list.